Hello everyone, Aquariuses. So this is going to be for you. I hope that you all are doing well and sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the reading. Also, there's a reminder coming. Okay, Reminder. There's some sort of reminder that is going to be coming for you, as in kind of like maybe notification. Okay. Also, there is one main message that is coming through that when you're going to hear from this person, you won't be surprised. Okay, so as if like your intuition was telling you prior, or as if like you just knew it, that whenever this is going to happen, it's going to be your, you might have done the past prediction for this, like you knew it. Okay, you maybe you're a reader or some seer, but if that's not the case, even you did it in your heart, like okay, you knew it in your mind and heart that this is gonna come. Okay, so maybe it's been long, but I've kind of get this vibe that you're going to hear from someone, and this hear from someone, maybe it's a notification coming or some mail or message. Okay, now this reading may or may not resonate with all of you at the same time, but this is going to be for different energies according to their timelines, and it does depend. Okay, as I said in my previous readings as well, the hand ones and all, that I am going to come in front, sometimes like this, sometimes like that. Okay, so it's going to go as per the calling. Also, I know that people miss my shells reading, and I've read one of the comments, so thank you for that. But I'm going to do it when the calling is going to be. Okay, I hope that you understand, and I know you do. That's why you people are here, my people, from last so long on my channel. So thank you for being part. So you may join me on Instagram, SASHELLS, Shells Running, and what else? You may support the channel via PayPal, especially, and from India, my Shells ID is there in the Bhim UPI, which is also mentioned. Okay, so let's begin with the energy. There is someone. It's also I'm hearing subconsciously or subconscious word. Okay, people are getting notified, but also not getting notified. Okay, there is this. Okay, I'm also hearing the word chamber. Okay, there is some kind of chamber, a work chamber, like a cubicle, or just maybe it's not a chamber, but we know what chamber is, right? But also this could be the particular as an individual workplace, work, like a room or somewhere where someone is sitting and doing the work, and I can literally see this person working. I can not tell you exactly whether it's a male energy or a female energy, but someone is working. Okay, and this could be any, like he, him, her. Okay, however this resonates, but they're working there, and whatever they're doing, they're hiding something. Okay, now hiding something in a way not creepy or eerie, hiding their feelings. Okay, now this person is or was connected in recent or distant time frame, some kind of like, I'm not saying that I don't know those cards, of course, but I get this feeling of like while I was shuffling. Okay, that it's connected with Six of Cups energy, kind of. It's also giving me the digit 3. Okay, for some reason, maybe you were friends back then, or maybe you were in connection but not very close, but like a common friend group or circle was there. I'm also hearing the word vicious circle. Okay, now maybe it was a good idea, or it was a good decision for you back then to leave that vicious circle, and you did it. Okay, but I can also see here like someone is still watching you, or they just see your, maybe one of the viewers, but you don't know, because unless and until they comment or do something very special, you won't be knowing that they're watching you. Okay, so there is someone you knew once. They are trying to stay in touch, but just from one side. I mean, they need to be upfront about something with you, or they need to talk to you, but I feel like that's not happening. And which is like, maybe you are watching them, but I feel like they are keeping kind of like tabs on you, but not to creep you out or something, but they are looking at you. Um, please ignore the sounds. Okay. Anyways, there is something, there is someone who is watching you. I'm telling you that. But also when they are in, in their, as I said, in the chamber or doing some stuff, they're still holding those feelings, they're hiding it, but they're trying to look. For example, you're so far, And that is the message as well. You're far, but they're looking at you. May go vice versa, keeping an eye on the things, on the stuff, like a telescope. Like something is far, you're far, but they have something to look through, which is like you see the far things near with telescope, right? That's what. I hope it's making sense. Let's see. Okay, look at this. Maybe you knew this person, and maybe you don't know at all this person now. Doesn't mean that you never knew. Like people who were once like kind of very close, they become strangers, right? That kind of energy I am getting. So you have a King of Cups, so maybe a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy. They are looking at you, but they are, I would say, they don't have courage. Why? Because something was messed up. Okay, so that yes, you are there somewhere in their mind and heart. Look, there is I get the message of like it's not charged, charged. Something is not charged enough to take the action, to take the initiative. Okay, they are just uh, I would say cropped like a top. Okay, so their things and everything, it's like at one place accumulated, but they don't know what to do because they can't extend their hand towards you, or they can't do it because of something that happened when you were in touch or something. Just like it happened, it came to cross. Okay, so you are in no contact. Um, Someone is not getting a reply or reciprocation here. Maybe you, maybe this person. Okay, so you haven't heard from this person is because someone doesn't want to see the message, or someone doesn't want, or the interest is not there. If this is you, you are no longer interested, or can go vice versa. Your emotional connection may be one-sided or theirs. Okay, look at this. As I took the digit 3, so here you go, 3 of cups. So maybe it was a common friend circle, or it was like felt though a connection but was vicious, and you left that. You were not interested in those friendships and everything, so you did the cutoff was for a very specific reason. Anyways, this is something that is happening, and they're hiding their feelings, and you knew it, so you drew the line possible in that case as well. 3 of cups, bottom, not coming out, but you were like a lucky charm in their life, or a destined encounter, but then something happened and now you're in no contact. um or just not talking, like I haven't heard from this person. Okay, let's see. But I can tell you that someone is still looking at you, like often. Okay, they look at your pictures, they look at your recent activities, but there's a line that's there. Like it's very difficult to cross that line from this person's side, I feel. But they're still looking. Okay, they're still in that wave of like emotions. um, I'm hearing like what happened, whatever happened, had happened, was tragic. Okay, it was not, and tragic is from person to person. Okay, what happened back then. You also have the moon energy. I know it's not flipping, but it's something that someone is in duality. Okay, I also feel like someone is in, what's that word, delusion, delulu. Okay, but something is feeling very strong, and they don't know why they're feeling in such a way, because it's not your energy, it's this person's energy. Okay, because you are in no contact, no initiation, and you're not making effort. This could be a Piscean as well, but someone who is feeling that still I have to talk. Okay, like maybe they're pretending that nothing can touch them, but that your emotions touch them to the core. Okay, however, again, this can go vice versa, but this is also the energy of like whenever I say it's a lot of bark left, so what they want to say, someone in your life, someone. Now this could be totally no new energy as well. Let's see. But you also have, like I said, so 6 of cups. Okay, someone wanting harmony with you, someone wanting to renovate things with you, someone wanting peace with you. A lot of bark is left, which means two energies, they need to come out with the truth. Okay, and I feel like effort was made from one side prior, and then no contact happened, is because one did, one never did. Okay, So acknowledging the other person's feelings and everything, it never happened, or not never happened in that way. Okay. Now, hearing from someone, as I said in the starting, maybe they want to make things clear to you. Okay. Now, are you interested? That is also the point. But for now, it is someone who is watching you, who is maybe content watching you, but just watching won't make you return to them, of course. And the connection is also really, really, I heard the word fishy, but with the fish, it's also Piscean. Okay. But I feel like it's a dare on this person's part, and they don't know whether they should do it or not. Because, but let me tell you something, people who dare, they don't think twice, like they just did. Why? Because they're daring. So this person, maybe they don't have enough courage to make the move. Okay. Because they know that you are not watching them, because they know, because this person is the only one watching you. I have to be very clear, this person is looking at you, at your pictures. Okay. And I don't know whether you have geographical distance or not, whether yes, you're in no contact. I mean, you don't talk to them. Okay. And they don't talk, of course. If it was supposed to be happening, it was mutual. But right now, it's like you have defenses up. So if you have defenses up, you haven't heard from this person. They have very heavy fire sign as well. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Not just water sign. What is obvious here? Obvious. Okay. The fire that was burning prior, it's like they don't know what happened. Okay. And now, even if it's very confusing, I know, like they don't know what happened, but they possibly never acknowledge what they did. And now when they're acknowledging possible, it's too late. You get this? It's like, so now maybe someone over here is in Delulu. Okay. I learned this word, and I came to some kind of conclusion, like maybe it's like someone who's thinking about it, but it's not practically happening, or one-sided kind of, or maybe their own sweet little world. Okay. But if someone is interested in coming out, you need to know what is going on. But I feel like this person is just looking at you, and you're not even making a tiny effort, like no. Okay. You're not doing anything, you're just done. And I feel like you're not looking towards them, and that is affecting this person. Okay. Even if you don't know, because what was is not. So yes, the energy is that they want to talk to you, they want to talk to you, they want to, I feel like, okay, now I feel like they want me to take this card. You believe in angels, you believe in spirits, you believe in things. What is going on? Okay, they're telling me there's going to be the situation which is going to be too hot to handle, which is because someone is getting, warmed up inside, that I need to talk. And this person, you're going to hear from someone, and they are going to come around. Whoever this is, they're going to send you the message. I can see the message. I'm telling you that. Okay. And I'm going to take this card. Okay. They are so interested in figuring out what is going on in your life. I mean, why not? Because you are at a position where you are influencing people as a good influencer. Okay. Anyone can become influencer. I heard, and like, what do you want to become? I want to become influencer. But to become influencer, it doesn't necessarily mean like you are a good influencer. Like, what is that you speak? What is that is giving people energy? Some people are influencers and they put shit out, and I've seen the reels, and that is the reality, and I won't deny it. I won't cut this. And we all know that. Many people think about this, okay? Like putting anything out which is not even good, and they know, but they just want to do it because they want to do it. Of course, everyone does have their personal life choices, of course, it's free world, but still, think about what you're doing. Okay. But they don't think, and that's why they are not, they're a bad influencer. So you may write it as like, I am an influencer, but I'm a bad influencer. So here you go, something is coming around, and you are on good like notes with yourself. Okay. You're nice, you are doing something for yourself, and this person is so interested in knowing about you. So someone you're going to hear from, they're going to make the effort, okay? Sort of like you're their wish possible. Like they when they look at you, they know what you are. They know. And they also want to know whether you are dating someone or not. Someone like you're irresistible, and not just one way. Like, people think about like irresistible or just physically. No, it's a lot of stuff, okay? It's a lot of things. Like, let me see what is coming. Unexpected encounter, someone who's going to bounce back to you, okay? Or wanting to, at least. Now, I don't know whether you're interested or not. Peekaboo. Um, okay, let me tell you that the person who is coming around or wanting to talk to you, at least keeping tabs on you, they they think that they think that the luck is on their side, which means that they think that you're going to reciprocate the way you used to. But the trials or the efforts they have done or made, gone like in failure, error, okay? Because your destiny is turning, and someone, I keep getting this energy that they so want to talk to you. Okay, I'll be back. All right, back again. Look, they so want to talk to you, they so want to become friends with you. Now, here you go. The picture is that there could be two talks. One, the one who is looking at you wanting to, and you people are in, like, don't want to talk, or because they never acknowledged and everything. But also, I feel like you have some things turning, just like Wheel of Fortune. Now, you decide what is going on, okay? Of course, because you're living that life. So, is it like someone new in the territory and you've started to talk? Because look, there's a fresh communication as well, but also someone wanting reunion. But you're going to be getting introduced to someone, or someone is coming around to talk to you. I did tell you three, so there is some togetherness. There is someone who you are going to have, um, like-minded energy, okay? When you vibe, okay? So there could be two things or situations happening, one with no contact for the reasons, and and but they're still keeping eyes, and they are also even jealous about that you're talking, because kind of energy when someone is thinking and hiding, okay? So look, this is something happening here. You're going to have a Wheel of Fortune, you have a pickup energy coming around, and you're good to go. But you're going to hear from someone, so someone could be someone, okay? Could be new, could be, yes, whatever. I know some people are like, whatever. Yes, whatever. Whatever is good happening in your life. Let's see. All right, so let's see what is going on. But all in all, it's interesting part for you as an individual. Okay, we're going to see. Look, someone is interested, and they're going to be interested. Someone is coming to talk to you, someone wanting to talk. It depends whether your interest is there or not. Look, some people are not at all interested and they're just focused on work. Your energy, Aquarius, is it's like more focused on what you're collecting, when what you're collecting is more precious to you than connection or relationship, because of the past experiences. So you have decided possible that no, I'm not gonna go into attachment or something. Okay, I can talk, but on the upper layer, epidermis, okay? But there is something coming, and this is indicating that something is going to, or is there's a, what's that, a chance, like chance, to be something, if you want to be something with this person. But there is someone who is going to or wanting to get close to you, um, for good, okay? It's for good. We have all the control, okay? We have, you can always restart. Tarots are going to tell you the pathway. What is that you want to do? Okay, please give me the message. There's a big change coming, okay? There is definitely something that you don't see here is like ending. It's like the depth and the transition, what you want, okay? What is coming for Aquarius? Something is coming. It's going to be nice. I can see the way they are looking at you, whoever this person is, if even if from past and keeping tabs on you, like you're so good. Like this is your energy, enjoying and working for yourself and giving and pampering yourself. It's must like giving time. I feel like Aquariuses are about to give uh, self time more, to pamper, to rejuvenate, the time that is required to sleep. They haven't gotten time like to sleep well even. Okay, look at this. Okay, so I kind of get this energy. It's a very flippy situation. The snake, okay? I kind of get this message that something that was venomous, okay, the poison, the things that you felt, the things you have lived, the things people did and thrown at you possible at some point in life, you never became like them, which is the thing that you are not a poisonous snake, okay? Not all the snakes available are poisonous, right? Or not all the species, but some are. And you have not been that energy. And because you've not been that, okay, you were caught up in some things or betrayal or cheat or people who, you know, kind of cornered you for some or the other reason, or you dealt with something like that, but you never became that. And that is the reason you flipped the idea of this, and then you just never bit anyone, okay? You get this? Like, but you went through this. Competition and enemy, the other woman, look over your shoulder. So look at this. This is very interesting. Was it like this happened because of the other woman? Okay, you get this? Yes, you get this. So the snake energy is like flippy. So you never did this, and you never did this to other person as well. Like you always knew where to stop, and you took your step back because you came to know about this person is either married and you never wanted to be that kind of the other woman, okay? Or maybe someone was other woman in your life, in your connection, so you never became like them. You just dropped this, okay? Yes, that's what I'm getting the message, okay? But there are people who are jealous of you, but you never became like them, okay? Trust, okay? You did what you did, okay? Look, there are two kind of, like the snake was there and the girl with the snake, okay? So you are like a, you charm people, okay? um you have this energy of boundaries. You have also the words. So you never become venomous. You never had venom. I'm not saying that you never get angry or you got angry. You got, for the situations that turned up. I'm not saying that you never shouted or you never cried. Yes, you did. It's part. But you knew that I don't need to bite anyone, okay? Because karma is a bitch, okay? Maybe a dog even. I mean, why to just put in the gender? Like, all right. So you have this energy of like Kalima. You know what? I always wanted to, and I wanted to share this like from some time. I keep having the visions and the dreams and things like of Kalima. Sometimes they, of course, it's personal as well, but they, she is giving me the message that people are entering, and especially females enter. Sometimes Kalima will save the masculines, okay? And it's not that they don't, it's just a message for like, because it's a portrayal of a woman, female energy. So Kalima is coming and telling that you need not to shower or that venom on anyone. Don't do that. I'm going to take care of that, okay? So Kalima power is very, very authentic, and it's a form of, one of the form of Ma, okay? So yes, if you connect with them, and so spiritually and from the universe, what is coming? Okay, what is coming is, okay, I have to. Okay, so you don't want to get heartbroken again. Do you see this? Like the detachment part is here. You see this? I'm saying that it's on epidermis. So there is someone who's interested in talking to you, but listen, look at your energy. You're taking care of the stuff. You're not forgetting your work. You're not. Even while communication, you are keeping yourself intact, your emotions intact. You see this? Even if things start, you have boundaries. And this is heartbroken situation which you always lived. So you're not giving your rose. You're not, getting into the play of piano or something. Someone may be a pianist or someone does love piano music. but it's a lovely thing over here. Petals, like someone who is working here, whatever they're doing while they're working, they're thinking about you. Deeply hurt and sad, feeling lost, grieving and despair, breakup. So maybe breakup happened, or maybe something is with this person who is heartbroken. I told you that someone is sitting there and thinking. Now, this could be your energy, this could be this person's energy. Someone does make music, okay? They are into full of music, and because they are into music, their music comes from the hurt situation, and maybe it was in this recent or distant past, whatever they lost. Okay, but someone is feeling lost. I can tell you they're feeling lost, possible without you. Whoever this is, okay. What is coming for you? Okay, interesting. Okay, what is coming for you? You see, you keeping your eyes so like not rolling but intact and like on alert. You keeping that on alert, like, okay, what is coming, what is coming. And unconditional love, giving and receiving, fairness and love, affection returned. I feel like someone is interested, someone is coming, you're going to hear from them. Now whoever this is again, and you have boundaries, but you're not, you don't, what's that word, I'm not getting that. You are not the one who speaks ill, or put out that I'm sorry for this. Sometimes it's um I don't know the word, okay, but you don't put out the venom, okay, that's it, simple words. Even though you've been heartbroken, but I feel like it's a someone may send you a blowing kiss kind of emoji, okay. They look at you like this, possible. Just one card to wind up. Okay, there is a fresh beginning. Okay, not going to shuffle, but you have a fresh beginning, new join as well. That's what I'm hearing. Whoever this is, the beginning is going to happen on a fair concept, and 8 of Wands movement is happening. There's a lot of talk happening. It depends with whom you're talking. Okay, of course. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.